Hi everyone, and welcome to Tech Solutions Hub YouTube channel. It's your friend and technology instructor, Tech Wizard, and this channel is passionate about helping people who are blind or visually impaired to live more independent and fulfilling lives through technology by sharing and uploading the latest news and updates on technology for the blind. From time to time, you will be hearing different voices on the channel who will be covering everything from new assistive devices to accessible apps and softwares. These personalities will also be sharing tips and tricks on how to use technology to your advantage. We will be so glad if you can subscribe to the channel. I hope you'll find our videos helpful and informative. Please feel free to leave comments, share the videos, and suggest topics for future videos. Together, we can make technology more accessible for everyone.
The instrumental for this video is provided by InnerSanctum Entertainment Ltd.
Hi everyone, my name is Imoleayo Fakayode. This is going to be a very quick demo. But just before I get started, I encourage you to subscribe to the channel and make sure you hit the bell button, turn on notification that is now, so you could receive notification whenever we upload another videos. I don't know if you've ever been in that situation where you're trying to add an application to your desktop for easy access, and then you were unable to do it because the application was downloaded from Microsoft Store. You know, I've tried myself searching online and even asked most of this AI, and what I get was I should drag my mouse and all of that. That's not convenient if you're a screen reader user. So this tutorial today would actually solve that problem for you. This is not only going to work for the Microsoft Store, it also works for any other application installed on your PC. So let's dive into the thick of things right away. So I'm going to launch my run dialog.
Run dialog, type the name of a program, folder, document, or internet resource, and Windows will open it for you. Open. Combo box collapsed. Edit Alt plus O selected shell apps folder.
So that was the last thing I did, right? And that's what we need to do. So when you open your run dialog, type shell colon app folder, apps folder, shell shell column appsfolder, no space, and then hit the enter key.
File Explorer, applications, items view list top, access not selected, row 1 column 1 to 149, applications tab selected 1 to 1.
So I have a list of 149 applications opened, and all of these 149 applications I can place them on my desktop. But for this demonstration, I am purposefully going to choose applications I downloaded from Microsoft Store, which is Unigram, an accessible window client of Telegram, and WhatsApp beta. I'm going to press W. That's the first letter navigation. I believe we all know that.
Weather row 128 to 149. W. What is new, the latest version? W. What's new, row 4? W. WhatsApp beta row 5 131 to 149.
So that's WhatsApp beta. I'm going to bring up my context menu, either with your application key or FN plus right control key or shift plus F10.
Context menu.
So I'm going to look for create shortcut.
Create pin to task, create shortcut S.
So once you press the up arrow key after bringing up your context menu, you should get create shortcut. You hit enter on that.
Shortcut dialog, Windows can create a shortcut here. Do you want the shortcut to be placed on the desktop instead? Yes button Alt plus Y. So
you press space, enter, or Alt plus Y.
Applications, items view list, WhatsApp beta 131 to 149.
So that has been done. Let me check my my desktop.
Folder view list, virtual recorder 12 of 24.
So I've got 24 apps now. Before I have 23.
W, Word 17 of 24. W, list bottom, WhatsApp beta, shortcut 24 of 24.
So that's WhatsApp beta shortcut. Okay, so let me go back in there. There's Unigram is not here.
You.
It's not here. I don't have Unigram here.
Word 17 of 24.
So let's go back to
applications. Items view list. WhatsApp data 131 to 149.
I press U now.
Unigram row 2 110 to 149.
So this is Unigram. You bring up your context menu.
Context menu.
Up arrow.
Create shortcut S.
Create shortcut. Enter.
Shortcut dialog window can create a shortcut here. Do you want the shortcut to be placed on the desktop instead? Yes, but Alt plus Y.
Yes.
Applications. Items view list. Unigram 110 to 149.
You can also do this with File Explorer too, which is an app that comes pre-installed with your PC. It's a file manager. I'm also going to bring File Explorer to my home screen. I have 24, so when I go back to my desktop now, after adding the Unigram plus File Manager, now I'm going to have 26.
Feedback up F. File Explorer 0328 to 149.
Bring up my context menu.
Context menu.
Up arrow.
Create shortcut S.
Create shortcut.
Shortcut dialog window can create a shortcut here. Do you want the shortcut to be placed on the desktop instead? Applications. Items view list. File Explorer 28
Done with that. Let's go back to the home screen. That's the desktop.
Desktop list. Word 17 of 26.
So now I have 26 icons on my PC. So I'm going to press W. I need to rename that WhatsApp shortcut. To WhatsApp. Just WhatsApp.
W. WhatsApp data. Shortcut 24 of 26.
So I'm going to press F2 to edit that.
Edit selected WhatsApp data. Shortcut. WhatsApp data. Shortcut unselected. Data. E. T. A. Space dash. S. H. O. A. S. Space.
Okay.
S. A. O. R. T. C. U. T. Land. Dash. Land. Space. A. T. Space. Land. T. T. Land. T. E. B. Space. B. E. T. Land. A. A. T. E. B. Space. E. T. A. S. T. A. 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 T. S. A. T. T. Space. B. E. T. A. Land. A. T. E. B. Space.
So I'm pressing enter.
WhatsApp 24 of 26.
WhatsApp. Just do that for Unigram too.
Unigram. Shortcut 25 of 26.
F2.
Edit selected Unigram. Short N. I. G. R. A. M. Stat space. S. H. O. R. T. C. U. T. Land. A. Land. A. R. A. Land. M. M. A. R. A. M. Land. Unigram 25 of 26.
Let's do that for File Manager too.
F. List bottom. File Explorer. Shortcut 26
File
of 26.
Explorer. Forgive me.
Edit selected File Explorer. Shortcut. File Explorer. Explorer. X. P. L. O. R. E. R. Space.
Okay.
Dash. Space. S. A. O. R. T. C. U. T. Land. R. Land. List bottom. File Explorer 26 of 26.
Got that.
W. Word 17 of 26. W. WhatsApp 24 of 26. U. Unigram 25 of 26.
So that's how to do that. If you want to add any app to your desktop, just bring up the wrong dialog, window plus R, then type shell :apps folder, press the enter key. The list of all the apps you can place onto your home screen would come up. Use your down and up arrow key, or should I just say use your arrow key to locate the app, and then bring up your context menu. Then use your arrow key to locate create shortcut, press enter. A warning dialog will pop up saying you cannot add the shortcut here. Would you want the icon, the shortcut icon to be placed on desktop instead? Press space on yes, or just press Alt plus Y, and you're good to go. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel, like, comment. If you have any question, you can drop the comments on the video, and I'll do my best to respond. Have a nice day.